Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure software is current and power features are active. Once done, turn on low power mode in Settings Battery so background tasks reduce. Next, go to Settings Cellular Voice and Data and choose 5G Auto. This lets your iPhone use 5G only when it improves performance and fall back to LTE to save energy. Make sure cellular data is enabled for the needed SIM and you're ready to tune deeper settings. Once your basic 5G auto and low power mode are set, focus on app and network behavior to keep power use low. You should disable background app refresh for data-hungry apps in Settings General so they don't wake and pull 5G constantly. Also enable low data mode on Wi-Fi and cellular profiles to restrict background transfers. Finally, change mail to fetch manually or hourly. These steps reduce the times your phone climbs back to. You finish by rebooting the phone so network and power changes take effect. After a day of use, check battery and connection. If you still see excessive drain, go to Settings Cellular Voice and Data and choose LTE to stop 5G entirely. This is the quickest fix. If 5G connections act flaky, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone Reset network settings. That clears misconfigured radios without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.